So I've been using my iPhone 13 Pro for about a year now, and actually it's been a little bit over a year, and I kind of want to showcase to you all how my battery health has pretty much been holding up for the last year. Now I'm going to show you it isn't really that crazy if I'm going to be honest, but there's a few things or a few learning lessons. So let me go ahead and hop into my settings here. This is my iPhone 13 Pro I use pretty much every day still. If we go and make my way over to my battery section right here, if we go and click on battery health, you can see that my battery health right now is at 96%. So 96% is honestly not that bad for me pretty much not using this phone. I'm not carefully using this phone. I'm not, thinking about, oh, my battery health needs to be as high as possible. I'm literally just using it if it's in very hot conditions or very cold conditions. I just kept it normally as I normally would. I didn't drop it. I didn't put it in extreme conditions, on purpose. But at 96%, that is actually not that bad. It's probably been over a year now since I've used this phone, and for 96% at that capacity is actually pretty good. I'm actually pretty happy with that number. Now, to give you some perspective, last year with my iPhone 12 Pro, if you all remember, that device, it was crazy. That phone probably at this point last year was probably around, I think like 80 something percent. So it definitely wasn't that high. So it definitely wasn't as high as this. I mean, it was definitely much, much lower than this specific phone, which honestly made me super upset. So with this product, I mean, you can see from here, I'm using this phone a lot. 3 hours screen on time, I mean, it seems like it's higher than that. If we look at the last 10 days, you can see I'm normally using this phone 2 hours and 42 minutes every single day. So definitely not that high. It looks like Instagram is my most used app, and then followed by Twitter and TikTok. So, for about 3 hours every single day, that's pretty average usage for me. I'm not overusing this phone by any means at any point, but some of the things I would recommend doing, yeah, I could have probably even kept this at 100% possibly if there were a few things that I did. For one, if I didn't put my phone in super hot conditions, there were many times I may have like filmed outside, or I may have been like putting my phone on my dash when I'm like driving or something like that. Random things like that, can actually contribute to this battery health going down. It's going to go down regardless anyway. So it's not like just by doing these things your phone is going to be higher. I would say 4% or 3% a year I think is pretty average. Some people say even like 5% a year can possibly be average. So I will say if you're planning on getting an iPhone and you plan on, actually using it every single day, the first thing I'd recommend doing, and the most important thing, don't put it in super hot conditions. Don't drop it a lot. That doesn't affect battery health, but it affects your phone in general. But also avoiding things like wireless charging your phone and different things like that can also probably help your device in the long run and can alleviate some of those issues that you might be having later on. So in terms of that, that's pretty much how my iPhone battery health has held up the last year. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.